Hey guys, welcome back, or hello if you're new, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, I'm just gonna point out that I was sick, so I am getting over sick right now. So if it sounds like I'm congested or I am sick, it's because I am. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm so sorry, but I still wanted to go ahead and sit down and film today. There's so many new products out, at least for myself, that I've been gathering up to do a video like this. So today's video is going to be a trying new makeup, testing a bunch of new makeup, a full face of new makeup. So I'm super excited. I have everything new except setting powder, so we're just gonna roll with that. But I'm so excited to go ahead and dive on in. So if you guys are interested on seeing a full face of brand new makeup, then let's go ahead and hop right on in. Before we go ahead and get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already. Thank you guys so much for 125K. You guys mean everything to me, and I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for always showing me love. First thing I'm going in with is the new Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This I've seen all over Instagram and it looks so incredible. Like, I kind of just want to wear this on its own without any makeup one day because they make the skin on Instagram look amazing. Like, model skin is just so glassy-like and so glowy and healthy and radiant. So yeah, I'm really excited about this and it's super pretty. It's like a green color. Super pretty packaging, love that. I'm gonna go ahead and pump a little bit on my hand to start. Ooh, definitely a gel texture. I can't put my finger on it exactly, but it definitely smells like something. It's definitely giving that effect. I don't know if you can see right over here. It definitely does give that glowy, glassy look. And it is super tacky. Like, when I touch my skin, it's definitely a tacky feeling. I wouldn't say sticky, but it's definitely fully tacky. Okay, that is the primer. Hopefully this video goes okay and it's not crazy because I still wanted to film, but I look really tired. I'm also going to be using a new sponge. Now this is the Jeffree Star Morphe sponges. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. I did already wet this one, so that's why it's out of the packaging. But it's like a baby pink color and super soft. Well, I love the ridges on it. Like flat edges right there. And then it also has the pointed edge, so you can really get into those areas. This is going to be great for like contouring. I know I did already use the Hydro Primer by Milk, but I am going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Now this is new for me. I have used it in the past, but I want to use it here with you guys because I actually really love it. Spoiler alert. But I really want to kind of hide the pores. So now that primer from Milk is great because it's going to help the foundation stick its tacky feel, I guess, and nourish the skin, but it's not really going to do anything for my pores. At least I don't think so. So I still want to go ahead and hide those up. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the putty primer on my finger and apply that to my areas where I have the most pores. So right here, and you could just see like instantly it goes away. I don't know if you can tell, but from me looking in the mirror, goes away. So this is amazing. It is so inexpensive. These areas. Going with the brand new Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm going in with the color 460. It has an SPF of 25 in here, which I don't typically wear foundations that have SPF in it, unless it's in the summer and I know I'm going to be outside or whatever the case is. I don't generally go towards an SPF. I love all of their other foundations, so fingers crossed we like it. I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Morphe sponge. I'm going to go ahead and first dot it on my skin. I hope this match will be okay. I only have one, so I'm not too sure. It was kind of hard in the store to decide. So I'm rolling with this one, and if it doesn't match, I'm sorry, but that's what the fun part of this video is, right? Looks like it's oxidizing just a tad on me. We will see. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in. Like I said, it might be a little bit dark. I'm going to blend it to my neck, like always. It's giving the skin such a pretty complexion. Wow, okay. I was actually going to review this foundation for you guys separately, but I kind of thought it was a little bit late for it, but I know they came out with a concealer as well, so if you want to see that, let me know. But I figured I would just throw this into, like, just doing new makeup. So the sponge I do like so far. The finish of it is not matte, but it's also not really dewy. Personally, I think that looks awesome. I'm gonna go in with another dot of it just to kind of do one like a little layer and kind of get by my forehead again. That one did retail for $14 to $15. So that's the foundation. We're gonna go in with concealer now. I'm gonna go in with the new Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. And I don't know what shade I'd be. I do have the full line, but I just picked 2 shades I thought would go. This one's light natural olive and a light medium cool. So I'm gonna start off with the light olive one first, right here. Oh gosh, that's a little light. But mixing it with this one, it may be just fine. I'm gonna just use the pointed edge for the concealer portion. So I really like the way that that actually looks and blends out. I'm going to hit it on my eyelids as well, sides of my nose, because I actually forgot to hit that part before. I'm going to use the flat edge for this. I'm going to hop into setting the under eyes first. Just using my Mercier translucent powder. And I don't have a new cream bronzer, but I do have some powder bronzers that we'll go into. So I'm going to leave the skin from bronzing for just right this second. And just set the under eye. I'll also just hit the chin. I'm just going to go ahead and dust that away with a brush. I'm going to go ahead and prime up my eyes just using my Tarte Shape Tape. And then we're going to hop into the new Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. I'm going to take it out and show you guys. I fell in love when I saw this at Ulta. Like, I fell in love. I had to get it. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and prime up my lids quickly. I'm going to use the baby sponge from the Morphe Jeffree Star and just kind of blend this in. This is perfect for that, I think. Going to open up the palettes, and this one was, I believe, $25 at Ulta, which I think is pretty decently priced for a palette. I love the way that their palettes are formulated. Their eyeshadows, I think that they're really highly pigmented, so I'm okay with that. Super pretty. Like, these are my go-to colors. These are my staple kind of colors, just things that I love rocking, plus more. Like, we got some like a mustardy yellow, more of like a green, a copper, things like that. So I'm really excited about this. Like I said, don't know what look I'm gonna go for, but we're just going to wing it. I'm gonna use the second shade a little bit above my crease. And I'm just going to kind of like swish out the product by my tail of my brow. That's how I really like doing my eyeshadow. It makes my eyes, I feel, look a little bit more elongated and just bigger all around. That color right here. Get that right into the actual crease of my eye. And like inner to outer. They blend out really nicely, just like I thought that they would, like how the other ones do. So that's amazing. I'm gonna also really get this color into like the inner section as well. I'm gonna go in with this matte one right over here as well. It's more like a bricky color. I'm gonna really focus that on the outer section of my eye. I love their mattes. Like, you guys have no idea. They're not patchy, and they're not, like, they just give an even dispersed of color. And I just feel like you don't have to like go over so many times. Like, it's so highly pigmented. So that's amazing. Going back in with that second matte shade we used, that we used in the crease, I'm just going to kind of blend on top of that from inner to outer, just to give more of a seamless blend, but kind of infuse both those colors together. So we go ahead and cut the crease just a little bit, but not necessarily my crease, more on the lid area. Right here. And it's okay if this part's messy, because I'm going to go in and blend anyway after the product is on there. I'm going to go in with this color right here. And then I'm going to go in with that lighter one and apply that into the inner section and blend that in with it. The outer corner, I just kind of like tap it just to like finish it off. Not so harsh like. I will of course like go in over here and finish the blend and fix it all, but right now I know it looks a little choppy, but that's okay. Whenever I do this anyway, I don't really like it to look super harsh anyway with like the cut crease or wherever we applied the lid color. So I always go back in anyway and start blending. And then I go back in with the color that I want to blend. And just kind of like make sure all of this is blended seamlessly. Just deepen this area up. Making sure I like fluff it out by my brow. I'm just gonna take a define brush and run those colors down here. As for liner, I'm not going to do like a wing or anything, but today I'm going in with the new, it's new for myself, it's the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Eyeliner, and this is the color Brown. I'm gonna go ahead and run that on the lower section. Not inside my eye, just below, right here. And just kind of smoke that out. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to go in with this third shade. So go ahead and bronze up the skin quickly. It is new for me, but I have used it a few times, but it's the only new bronzer that I do have right here, right now. So it's the Ofra Cosmetics Francesca Tolot, I believe it's called, and one of these bronzers I'm going to go in with. Super bronzy, I love it. This is the LA Girl 108 brush. It's an angled brush. Bomb. Like, I can even contour my nose with it. Like, that's how good the angle is on it. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is their new Cherry Blossom one. Super, super pretty packaging. Like, look how cute that is. That smells good. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the new Wet n Wild Hustle and Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. Oh, I like that. That's really, really pretty. It does have a little bit more of like a yellowy glow, but I feel like that's fine because like the vibe we're going for right now has a little bit more of a yellow hint to it. So that's not a problem. Just a tiny bit on top of that, I'm going in with the LA Colors Strobing Powder. This is their illuminating powder, and you guys, this is so inexpensive, and look at this. Hi. It is so amazing. So I just want to kind of add that on top of it. So I'm going to do a little bit of lower mascara, and then I'm going to hop into lashes. So today I'm going in with the new L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara, and this is the one where you can kind of like curve the handle, so it's a lot easier to apply the bottom, which I think is really cool. So I'm going to do that first. So you kind of just put it down like that. It is a lot easier to actually apply with holding it like that. I feel like it doesn't get caught on my nose. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like I'm not really messing up that much. Now I'm going to go in with some falsies, and I don't know which one I'm going to use just yet. I do have a bunch of new ones from Bold Face Makeup, so I'm going to go in with one of them. Alright guys, so the lashes are now on. I actually went in with the Lash Goals from Bold Face Makeup, and I actually really like the way that they are looking right now. They're a little dramatic, but it's okay. I'm going to go in with the Define brush and take that yellowy color again and just spritz it with some Morphe Mist right here, just to kind of make this pop a little bit more. Now for my lips, I'm going in with the new Persona lip gloss. These are amazing, you guys. I did already try this, I am sorry, but I did feature it in a vlog as well, which is my last video. This one's in the color Honey, and it is so gorgeous. I figured it'd go pretty nicely with this look as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and top off the lips. Normally I place like a lip liner or a lip color underneath, but today I just kind of want to put the gloss. To top everything off, I'm going in with the new LA Girl Island Hottie Blush Palette. And I'm going to take this color right over here, which is more of a pretty mauve. And I'm just going to pop that right here. Pretty. That was pretty pigmented. So that completes this makeup look using all new makeup. I am so in love with this look. Like, I love the eye look. I love this palette from Morphe, like, yes. Also, the Jeffree Star sponges were amazing. Like, I don't have anything negative to say about those. Honestly, nothing negative to say about any of these products. I absolutely adore it. This foundation right now, like, making the skin complexion look amazing. Like, in my personal opinion, I love it. So I love all the products that I used in today's video down below in the description, so be sure to check that out. So that is all for this video. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!